Hey, I'm Derek. I'm here to try the chamoy pickle, bulldog ramen, and the Swedish candy. Let's give it a shot. Alright, so we're gonna start off with the bulldog ramen. I would just like to say this does not smell like fit for human consumption, so I am a little nervous what y'all got me doing, but it's okay. Yeah, that's disgusting. It's actually pretty damn hot. I won't even lie. Don't buy. Bad. Really bad. I hope you're having a really peaceful day today, and I hope these noodles really help calm you down.
Much later.
Oh shit! We got the chamoy pickle. I'm actually looking forward to trying this a little bit. I hope I'm not disappointed. Oh, that thing is not natural. Oh my god! This is terrifying. No. I'm messy. My teeth are sticking together. I got people outside laughing at me now. They're laughing at my pain. This thing sucks. Don't buy this. Don't waste your money on this.
Much later.
These are the Swedish candy. These can't be bad. No. That went bad. Oh, hell yeah. These are fire. Okay, yeah, that blue one's good too. Tastes like blue raspberry and something. And then I don't like the color of this last one. Can I see here? Okay, 3 for 4. This one was actually alright. This was an abomination.
One eternity later.
1 out of 10, not good. 2 out of 10, not good. And we'll give this one like a 7.5 out of 10. Thank you for joining me. See you next time.